Shooting at Hugh, backtesting is a really important component of automating a trading strategy. But how can manual traders use backtesting to their advantage?
Yeah, sure. It's a similar concept. Like you're just practicing on historical data. So you're looking for a particular chart pattern, and in a similar way, you can get statistics on it. And that can help you move forward because you can say, okay, this pattern has a 60% chance of winning. And I lost 4 in a row yesterday, but is that within my parameters? And if it is, then you don't have to get down about it, right? You can just move forward. And this works if you have a very specific set of rules and you just want to test it out and see how it works.
And I guess for Paul, like I've seen a lot of strategies that are back tested, but those look so good when you curve fit everything. But yeah, I guess there's the going live and there's back testing.
Yeah, there's a lot of theories around back testing, and I have my own theories regarding it. With an automated system, the idea is if you are going to leave it running, is to have the best possible chance or highest probability that those trades are going to be successful and your risk is going to be low. If you didn't do any kind of optimization and you just ran the bot, you'd have a very low probability chance. So the idea is to improve your probability as high as possible. Then you use the robot will run, and then you still need to manually intervene and watch the trades, look at the support and resistance levels. Any kind of logic that the automated system doesn't have, like news releases, they can have news release events, capture those, but you do need some human interaction. Anyway, the whole idea is that backtesting is to get it as low as possible, like a 1% drawdown if you can, over, say, a 1-year period, and then continually optimize that on a regular basis to keep those parameters optimized for the current sort of market trend. I'm not 100% sure about backtesting 20 years back and then expecting it to continually run, because the markets change all the time, so the data changes.
All right, cool. There's another question that's coming in. There's a few questions that came in, but I think they're asking about what your thoughts on the market are, and I don't think we should touch those based on. I think those should be maybe handled afterwards if you want to reach out to anyone. But cool. Paco is asking, can anyone recommend some free backtesting software for a grid ATS?
Yeah, CTrader. It's included in the platform. I'm sure at MetaTrader as well. So most trading platforms have backtesting software that you could run. So wherever you get the trading system from, if it's to run on CTrader, then you can use CTrader's automate window and run a backtest.
And I guess in terms with backtesting, I think a lot of traders are going to say, "Oh, I ran my test and I backtested it," and then when it goes live, they probably have like there's a reality check that comes into play when it's like, you can look at everything when everything's calm and always in the history, but when everything's happening in real time, stuff doesn't always go your way. I guess what kind of advice do you have for someone who's might be?
Can I just quickly do this one, Hugh? Because you need to run it on a demo account to prove that system works, and you fully understand all the settings for that trading system and all the market events that might happen. So you need to run it on a demo account with fresh data coming in. So, simulating a live conditions, not 100%, but as close as you can. And then you can actually see how you manage those trades yourself, see how the system opens and closes trades, manages your risk, and you don't miss anything out. And then when you're fully confident, after many months probably, that you feel that this system you work together with this system to get more successful trades, then I would actually go for a live trading system, live account, sorry.
I like that. So just because your program's ready, you should test it before you go live with it. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and on the manual side also, I think it's a very similar thing, right? You have to test it in a demo account over several months, and then it comes down to your journal, like what things are different between your back testing and your live trading when you're trading manual, and you'll never get the exact same results. So you're going to have to figure out, okay, is there some emotion involved? Am I trading at the wrong times of day? Am I actually following the rules? Stuff like that. So that's where the journal really comes into play.
Can I just say one little thing? What Hugh does by creating these or helping people create their own or use their own strategies. What would be good for an automated system would be to take away the kind of basic stuff from the manual trading system and automate that, so that the person already knows how to use that strategy manually, and they've got some success out of it, but they just want to take away a lot of the repetitive tasks that an automated system can do, or make their entries and exits more sharper, better entry signals points, sorry. And then also add the risk management on top of that. Say they're away from their computer at night and they've got a trade open, they know that an automated system is going to manage their risk while they're sleeping. So a hybrid system between knowing the strategy and an automated system is probably one of the better ways of using an ATS.
I remember.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. Like, some people think you need to automate the whole thing, but in reality, most people would benefit from just automating the entry, or automating the exit, or automating the risk management, or one or two of those things at the same time. So yeah, totally agree.
Yeah. I remember a lot of those sleepless nights and hearing those alerts come on, bing, 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 bing. Like, I don't have any kids yet, but I could probably wake up just hearing a little noise. I'd be like a dart up like that.